Hey guys, RunwithCraftscissors here with a little haul from Purdee Planner. So I want to show you guys what she sent me. She also sent me like those containers. When she sent me like this, she sent me the containers from my Rascog cart from IKEA. I haven't decorated the other ones. I put them on my thing, but I haven't decorated them. I want to show you guys some more stickers that she's been designing and coming out with. So I got one more Halloween kit from her. Let me show you. And I'm super excited because my son's school, I just found out, is having like a little fall party, and there is a costume contest. So I'm super excited. I'm not saying that he's gonna win. I just think it would be cute to see all the kids in their costumes. I'm not like that anyway. So here is the Monday through Sunday stickers and the water trackers if you want those for your sidebar. And then it's a no white space kit. So it's for the Erin Condren, but I've shown it in all my planners. I can make it work in my happy, well, I haven't shown it in my mini happy planner. And I've shown it in my regular happy planner, classic, recollections, and my Erin Condren. So this is the side that goes on the right and the side goes on the left. So it's like a Halloween party. Anyway, I just thought that was so cute. And I think I'm going to try to use it the week that he's supposed to have his little like, it's a family night at his school. And so like the parents are supposed to stay with the kids. And there's like free ice cream and there's like a photo booth and stuff. Look at the little pumpkin on his hat. How adorable. Right? So cute. Okay, and then there's a little ghost on that one. So yes, so my purple and orange rose would go really cute with this. My pumpkin would definitely go with this. Definitely the candy corn, even though there's no candy corn in this kit, I feel like it would still match. Oh, and definitely like the mask, like it's the black and yellow. And I did have a ghost, but it sold out, so that one would be cute. And then the black bow. Where's my black bow? My black bow would be cute with this. And probably my darker purple bow if I have one. That's plum. There's the light purple one. That would be cute too. I don't think Frankenstein matches. No. But those ones I think would. So, yeah. Oh, and where's that one? The orange bow, because there's like orange on her bow. And then I also have, if you don't like glitter, I have the orange plaid bow, which is not glitter. There's that one too. Yeah. Okay. So we have lots of clip choices that go with this one. And I'll put a link to her shop and my shop in the description box below in my Linktree link. And you can get 20% off at her shop and 10% off at my shop. Okay, so that's the middle mural. And then here's the bottom washi. So it finishes out like the spread. Like you'll see the rest of those pumpkins and like balloons over here. And then this is the top half. So there's like a Halloween party banner that like, here, I'll show you. So it's like this one would go on this side and finish out that balloon. And then like this one would go on this side and it would like finish out the window that's behind there. And then it finishes out that balloon over there. Okay. Can you guys visualize? Yes. All right. And then the rest of the Halloween banner is on here. You guys can kind of see the rest of Halloween. So it goes up that way. Like for the days of the week, it'll go on top of that one. And then this one goes on top of that one. It's hard to visualize on that part. But it's like two banners going across. But it looks cute laid out. She has it on her channel. And then here's the black glitter that she chose for the crack washi and the headers. So I'm super excited about that kit because I just found out about my son's school party thing. So that's kind of fun. I wonder if they do that instead of having the classroom parties. I don't know. We had classroom parties when I was in school. We didn't have these like big school events, like where everyone would come. So I feel like that's really different. Okay, so I know that you see the die cut, Nightmare Before Christmas. I've never seen this movie, but I'm gonna try to. But it says Simply Meant to Be, and I think it's so cute. And people say it's a Halloween movie, but it says Nightmare Before Christmas. So I thought it was a Christmas movie. Maybe it's both. I don't know. Now you guys are all going to tell me. But it's my sister-in-law's, like, one of her favorite movies. And so I thought I would use the mini kit of this in my memory planner during the week of her birthday, which is, like, the first week of November. but it also overlaps with Halloween. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure how I'm going to use it because I'm like, I kind of want to use a Halloween spread that week. But then this one, if you say it's a Halloween movie, I'll probably use it in that week. But anyway, so this was the freebie for the PBC fall sale. And then she included the little like functionals one to go with that kit for me. And then she also included it in orange because that one's cute too. I like her little Planner Girl mug. And then she has Harry Potter die cuts for Mikey and Molly. So I hope you guys check that out because I do have, where's my miscellaneous? I still have some golden balls with wings is what I call them, gold ball with wings. So you can see the similarities on what I designed here. So those are still available in my shop. And then I ran out of sorting hat. And then you have Hermione and her cat. And then you have, this one is just them in costumes. So I have Rosie as a pirate, Molly as a witch. And then this one I thought was like kind of, yeah, winter and Christmas. So they're like baking cookies. So cute. And then going sledding. It's not adorable. And then here she is. She has a candy cane and her Christmas sweater. And it has his like, oh, he has ice skates on. I was like, what is he doing? He's ice skating. And this one, she's ice skating. And this one, he's Santa Claus. And this one, they're kissing under the mistletoe. And then carrying all the presents. So cute. Okay, and then I asked for some mini deco. Because I like these in my mini happy planner. So I like these ones. So there's Harry Potter, and then there's also some Christmas sampler. So this is the Wizard School sampler, and this is the Mikey and Molly Christmas sampler. And then she also sent me the sampler in like the standard size. I think these ones are like less than $2. And then she sent me the Heroes and Villains sampler. So it's like different costumes. And then I need more Happy Day ones because I use these for when you guys order. And because I get all happy. So I got some of those. And then I ran out of washing the dishes because I feel like we do that every day, except for maybe every other day. So, wow, I have a lot of Rosie Fox washing dishes. She's like, you're not running out now. Okay, so here's the mini kit that I was talking about. This is also available in the full kit. I was just like, well, I'm not. Oh, she sent me this one in the mini kit too. Oh, yay. I'm going to show you that in a second. Okay, because I said I was going to show you this one next. So this one is, I forget what she called this. Oh, she called it Simply Meant to Be. So this is the mini kit. I don't know the names of them. I will watch the movie eventually. Okay, see, I feel like it's a Halloween kit because there's bats. But then why is it called The Nightmare Before Christmas? And there's pumpkins, so I guess it will. I will use it the week of Halloween in my mini happy planner. You heard it here. Okay, and then here's some quarter boxes. Oh, I like how those ones are patterned. She should do more of those. And then here's the half boxes. She knows I like to put those in every day in my mini happy planner. So I will watch the movie and get back to you on how I feel about it. Because I don't hate it, I've just never seen it. And then I have, this one is the mini version of Halloween Party. So we have our date covers and full boxes. How cute! I have a I think I have one jack-o'-lantern clip left. It's a jack-o'-lantern with a witch's hat. So I think there's one left and it's on gold. And then I love the little, it's like bows and ghosts and bats and then a little banner. And that's like the dividers. I love that. And then she included the add-ons. These are add-ons, not part of the mini kits. The quarter boxes, which I like the addition of the glitter one. That's awesome. Way to go. And then here's the half boxes. I really like how she's changing up those. With the pattern ones on this one and then the glitter ones on that one. Yes, girl, yes. Okay, so super excited about this haul. Hope that you guys find something you like at her shop. If you do, use code Lesley20 for 20% off. And then if you like any of the clips that match that I just showed you, there's a link in the Linktree link for, there's Instagram 10 or IG Friends 10 for 10% off, or YouTube 10 also gets you 10% off, $5. So make sure you check those out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!